Hello and welcome back to the final video for this week's topic series, which will be about nature. Yes, should we embrace nature or should we just, continue what we're still doing to the planet? So, that's really what I'm going to be talking about today in this video, and I hope you enjoy. And with that being said, I guess we can roll the intro rather earlier than per usual. And enough talking. Well, I'm going to talk a little bit later still, but let's roll the intro. I got this inspiration from watching Naruto. Yeah, pretty much it's one of these videos, really, I'm not gonna lie to you. But when in season 4 he absorbs nature energy and he has to sit still and all that stuff, all that sage training, and I was like, yo, damn, nature, this life that we live in peace with, should we embrace it as well? That's basically what I thought. I was like, oh damn, that's a good YouTube video.
The first thing that might have thrown you off in this video is when I put two fingers quotation mark, sarcastic or quotation mark, that I may normally put when I'm like, I'm saying this, but no. So what I meant to say when I say in peace, okay, coming from me, I guess, I have arachnophobia, I guess. It's really that simple. When I say live in peace, okay, I won't really say I have arachnophobia, but when I see a spider, my first instinct is like, it's probably poisonous. So let me just take the slipper and then just go, and just kill the spider. When I say live in peace, how the peacefulness of how Naruto looked when he was meditating and in tune and inclined, I'll say, with nature, meditating and just feeling the energy of nature. I was thinking to myself that what if we as humans can do such things? Because plants, they obviously are a living organism, and so are spiders and all that stuff. They're all living, which is why I kind of disagree with vegans. But we'll leave that for another video on another day. And what I'm trying to say here is, since they are a living organism, and yes, we do eat plants, but that's besides the point. And in Chinese culture, I believe, or many cultures that they way back, even in the Nigerian culture, they use herbs, certain types of herbs and plants to cure illnesses, to cure sickness, to cure the diseases of what? To cure diseases or people who may be ill. Plants, obviously they have many. That's my chat. They can do many things, and if we can use them to their fullest, not really take advantage of living organisms, which is kind of technically what I'm kind of saying, but not what I'm trying to hint or get or say, or gonna say get at. The thing is, meditating and being in tune and inclined with plants and other species, well, I won't say other species, I'll say like other, plants, really, specifically plants, it can really help. It's that meditation, just the stillness and calmness and the peace, not that much aggression. When you look at Naruto in this state, even in sage mode itself, it's not necessarily an aggressive transformation of sorts. It's rather peaceful. And I can't really say the same thing for dry. It's not aggressive, but it doesn't look the same. But it gives the user the qualities of a toad, an animal, and for you to basically be with this animal. I'll say that's what it is. There's a lot of philosophy in this, but from this, there's nothing I can really draw out right now. When I'm older, maybe I'll make a video explaining more on some sort of philosophy, or like go really deep into like a transformation itself. One day I'll go really deep into like Ultra Instinct or something one day, but yeah, that'll be in the distant future. But right now I'm just sticking to this, which is basically how we as humans, we're not really inclined with nature. We're chopping down trees to make tissue and toilet paper. We're doing all sorts of things to the environment. I mean, have you seen okay, step out of your house, unless the park that I go to is normally clean, then don't. But have you seen the park? Like, most or some parks are just trashed, really. And it's not just the plants, it's also the inhabitants that may live in that area or the surroundings. What I'm trying to say is like not necessarily like foxes, but I mean like little insects. They may be small, but they are also living creatures. Yeah, I say this, but I'm like being the biggest hypocrite right now, because I say this without thinking to myself that I've literally just killed a fly like 30 minutes ago. but that is besides the point. Let's continue with the video. I'll probably do like another, if I say little or short voice note, that's underestimating the length of this voice note. So I'll continue with another voice note in a bit. Let's go.
So I guess that brings us here, I guess. Embracing nature. Well, if I mean by embracing, I mean like stepping on spiders, then yeah, I do that a lot. Okay, enough of that. But yeah, seriously, embracing energy as a part of us. Embracing nature as a part of us is not something that we tend to do. Basically, embrace nature by seeing it in the house. Oh, a spider. Or is that an animal, like a slug or something that I see? Yeah, your days are numbered, little one. That's basically what embracing is on this human planet. And it's not just animals, really. I mean, like, look at this global warming thing. It's big. It's actually a really big deal. We don't think about it, but it really is. And I was gonna say something interesting. I forgot what I was gonna say. And it's a pretty big deal. I'm doing this video on the same topic.
I had to leave that in there for you to see that for the majority of this video I had no idea what to say, but obviously enlightenment after watching the same episode 45 times, walking the park 3 times, and walking to school once has enlightened me even more, I guess, so I can actually take this topic on full force, balls deep. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that in there. I don't care. I'm gonna leave that in there. But seriously, that was 100% waffle. 100%. So let me actually continue with this with something that makes sense. Why I said that kind of makes sense? Yeah, embracing nature, which some people actually do. Some people actually do tend to meditate. Some people actually do tend to do that outside. If I were to meditate, I'd rather not be disturbed with a fly or a spider climbing into my nose or my ears or perching on my eyes or bird pooping on my head. Even with peacefulness, there are some things that may irritate us about nature. Such stuff as those, I don't know if personally I can sit through in peace while a bird physically poops on my head and then continue to meditate while that thing is trying to drooling down like from my hair to my face. No, I have to get up and wash my face for that. Wash my whole hair, dang it, wash my whole body. There are some things and aspects that are really hard to do so when trying to meditate or when trying to be in peace or inclined with this world. But yet again, there are some things that we can do, like just, I don't know, sit outside and not kill an ant, or sit outside and not, when seeing a spider, decide the smartest thing to do to it is squash it 50,000 times while it is begging for its life. Yeah, I don't think it takes pleasure in being squashed, if you're one of those. But yeah, I'm talking to myself basically. But yeah, honestly though, the meditation and being in peace with ourselves, I mean, the only thing I can really think of as an example for being in peace with nature or being inclined with nature is meditation, and Naruto does show such a thing. I mean, it does show aspects of those things. It does show aspects of nature, war, peace, humanity, life, philosophy. It's actually kind of, I recommend the anime, and if you haven't watched it, I do recommend it. It's just to give a try, even if you don't like anime in general. Just to give it a try. And now, before I go into the whole backstory no jitsu of how I first started to watch anime, because I was like this close to doing so, let me stop this voice note so I don't get carried away and continue with I guess my waffle video. Yeah, the reason why I didn't hear anything after that for like a couple seconds is because I have no rest of the video apart from that. Yeah, some of the footage got lost, which is why I'm doing this voiceover thing, and the one that was remaining was what you saw. So yeah, I genuinely had to do this voice. I hope you enjoyed it anyways, because this, I'm not gonna lie, was a little bit better, a lot better actually, than the actual video. So yeah, enjoy. Also, this is not the final video for this week's topic series. I know I said that in the opening of this video, but no, this is actually the first video of the week, because it's obviously quite clearly a Tuesday, and a Tuesday is the first day of the week where I post a video. So yeah, this is the first video of this topic series, which I stated at the beginning of the video. And thank you for making it this far. But real quick, honestly though, and just to conclude this thing, you know, just to, oh, I love this song, I'm not gonna lie, but well, this instrumental, but my days, yeah, just to conclude everything, I mean, in order to achieve I just made something, achieve peace, really, I'll say, within our mind, body and soul, we will need to be in contact with nature. Nature is one of the most peaceful things that I can think of, and isn't a violent race. So yes, that's my conclusion, I guess. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like, subscribe, comment, share. Hope you like the couple tweaks and changes. If you don't like the tweaks and changes I made with the outro, then by all means tell me down in the comments below to change it back to the one that I posted like 2 videos ago, like the last video. So yeah, with that said, see you later, peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and stay in school, kids. Peace.